In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to calculate pips in TradingView. If you're navigating the world of forex trading, understanding pips is crucial, and TradingView offers a seamless method to measure these directly on your charts. The process is simple and efficient, so let's delve into it step by step. First, let's locate the tool we need. On the left-hand side of your TradingView interface, you will find a toolbar lined with various icons. Here, you're looking for the ruler icon, known as the measure tool. Give it a click to activate it. Next, it's time to select a starting point on your chart. This would typically be the price at which you entered your trade, but you can choose any point that serves your analysis purposes. With the measure tool activated, click directly on the chart at your chosen starting price. Now, with your starting point set, you'll want to measure to your ending price. This could be your target take profit level or a stop loss point, depending on your trade setup. Simply drag your mouse from the starting point to your desired ending point. As you do this, keep your eye on the data box that will appear. This data box is your key focus here. It encompasses several pieces of information relevant to your price movement, but the detail you're after is the third value, which is usually in parentheses. This number represents the price movement in pips. For instance, if it says 50 pips changed, this indicates a 50 pip move between your starting and ending points. Once you have this pip value, it's important to confirm the information, ensuring that it aligns with your expectations of the currency pair's volatility and price movement. Remember, this tool is optimized specifically for currency pairs. If you're measuring assets like gold CFDs, you might find that their pricing uses different units, sometimes referred to as points. For those of you looking to conduct deeper analysis, particularly concerning risk and reward scenarios, you might explore the price range tool. This provides even more precise calculations for strategic planning. While the measure tool conveniently gives you a pip count, it's also essential to comprehend the concept of pip value, which ties directly into the monetary gain or loss based on your trade size, commonly referred to as lot size. Understanding how these elements interplay will better equip you to evaluate your trade's potential profitability or cost. And there you have it. By using the measure tool on TradingView, you not only streamline your pip you up calculations, but also enhance your ability to analyze and strategize within the forex market. Thank you for watching. Feel free to ask questions in the comments if anything was unclear, and happy trading.